Now the next step is to split this body into two different parts, top part and bottom part. And to split this body, we are going to use a tool called split body tool. But to use that tool, we had to create another sketch. So to create that reference sketch, again we'll activate this create sketch tool, and this time I will select this face of this body as a sketch face or a sketch plane. So I will click on this face of this body, and here you can see my sketch panel just got activated with all the sketching tools. Now I will activate this line tool from this create panel. The first tool is line tool. Under the sketch section, I will activate this tool line tool, and then I will move my cursor and will place somewhere over here and will click onto this edge. Then I will move my cursor like this to create a line at particular angle. And since my line tool is still active, I will move my cursor and will make sure that I am able to see this midpoint option over here. And then I will click on this edge as well. And here you can see I just created a line like this. Now I will activate my sketch dimension tools, and then I will select click on this edge, and I will also click on this edge, and if I will drag outside, I can define the angle between these two lines. So I will click first, and then I will input the right angle. So the angle is 125 that I want to keep like this. Here you can see. Now if I will scroll my wheel on my mouse to zoom in a little bit onto this area, so here you can see this is how it looks right now. Now what I will do, I will also define the distance from this corner point to this point. So for that, I will first click on this corner point like this, and then I will click on this end point of this line and will drag my cursor towards outside and will enter the values that we want to keep. Here we want to keep 3.5 or maybe a little bit lesser 1.6, and will press enter. So you can see that distance just got shifted to these new values. Now I will press escape on my keyboard to come out of this active tool, and here it is. Now I want this point onto this line. Now what I will do, I will click on this point and I will drag it and will make sure that it's sitting onto this edge. But you can see it is not snapping onto that edge. So what I will do, now I will move my cursor again. Under the sketch panel, you will see this completely new panel that says constraints. So just activate this constraint that says horizontal and vertical constraint, and then click on both the points, and both the points just got vertically aligned, and then I am happy with it. So I will just press escape on my keyboard to come out of this tool. Now this is the sketch we wanted to create. If I will zoom out a little bit, you can see, and since I had defined all the parameter for this sketch also, that's why this sketch also looks black. I will simply click on this finish sketch. Here you can see. Now we created this sketch just to split this body. So this sketch is just a reference sketch to split this body. So to split this body, there is a tool that says split body tool, and that tool you can again find under this modify panel. So if you'll just move back to your modify panel, if you'll click on it option over here, and you can under this tool you can see that this tool that says split body. Activate this tool, and again a window will pop up like this, and under this window the first thing that we have to specify the body that we want to split. So definitely this body, this complete body that we want to split. So I can click anywhere onto this body to select this complete body. So here you can see the moment I had selected it, you can see one body is selected, right? Now I will activate this option, splitting tool. So this is sketch is my splitting tool. So I will click on this sketch only, and now this is acting as a splitting tool. So that you can see, if you click on this home view, you can see this sketch is acting as a splitting plane, right? And if you orbit it little bit, you can see it is something like this, that is acting as a splitting plane to split this body into top and bottom part. Now if I press OK, you can see this body just got splitted into two different parts, and that we can verify under this new folder that just got added under this browser. So if I will expand this folder, you can see there is a two different body. The first is body 1 and second is body 2. So if I'll turn off the body 1, you can see this is my body 2. And if I will turn off the body 2, you can see this is my body 1. So what we did the basic shape already, body 1 and body 2 of our soapbox design. So now we'll move further and we'll add more features to it.